Hi there! Today I want to share with you how UPDF's AI assistant has been a game changer in helping me with my dissertation. Let me take you through the amazing features that have made my academic journey a whole lot easier. First up, let's talk about the summary features. With UPDF's AI assistant, I can summarize my paper by page or all pages or even by selected sentences. This has been incredibly helpful in considering complex information and key points in my dissertation. Another fantastic feature is the ability to explain words or sentences within my paper. Whenever I come across a term or concept that I need more clarity on, the AI assistant provides me with detailed explanations, making my research process much smoother. And need a translation for your paper? No problem. UPDF's AI assistant offers a seamless translation feature that allows me to translate my dissertation into languages I need. This has been invaluable in reaching a wider audience and engaging with diverse readers. You can choose more than 30 languages here. Lastly, one of my favorite features is the AI assistant's ability to generate good paper topics or ideas. Whenever I hit a creative block or need some inspiration for my next research project, the assistant provides me with thought-provoking topics that spark my imagination and research interests. For instance, you can input, "Give me some good paper topics" on the chat option. UPDF AI will give you about 10 topics in just seconds. Then you can say, "Explain the topic. The impact of social media on mental health among adolescents." Surprise! UPDF AI gives you a very understandable answer. And there you have it. UPDF's AI assistant has truly revolutionized the way I approach my dissertation. With its powerful features and its intuitive interface, navigating through my academic work has never been easier. Give it a try and see the difference for yourself. Happy researching!